What's up, my little writers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. Ooh, what did I just drop down there? It's okay, you guys. I'm doing it right. Yesterday, you guys saw me on Vlogtober day. Was it 9 or 10? Well, yesterday, you guys saw me making the wig. Handmade, hand-sewn wig. This is the wig. Remember I told you I would know what I was going to do with the wig and how I was going to style it after I shampooed and conditioned to see what the condition of the curls would be. And as I thought, usually once you shampoo the hair, that's when the true wave pattern comes. And it's not much of a wave pattern now, so I think I'm going to just put some curls in it and do that and secure it down. So right now, I went in off camera and I sewed an elastic band and some clips. So what I'm going to do now is tack this down. And that's all I'm doing because I won't be wearing this to bed. Because if you guys knew what time it was and I'm trying to do this video, okay, my lords, I decided to speed it up because the video was getting lengthy. All I'm doing right now is brushing I put the adhesive spray on my forehead, or my hairline, I should say. And I was just brushing the hair into the adhesive, and I'm gonna secure that down with an elastic band, you guys. When I did the hair, when I made the wig yesterday, the curl pattern was awesome, but sometimes when you get a certain wave pattern, the hair looks good before it's been washed, and I never put a wig on my head unless it's washed and conditioned. So I did wash and condition, and of course the wave pattern was not like it was before it was washed. The hair is very, very soft, so I knew it would take a good curl. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to curl it because it's not as wavy as it was before. And I had planned on cutting it into a bob and wearing it wavy, you know, you guys, when you saw it when I was making it yesterday. But that wasn't the case. It wasn't curly enough and the bob would not have looked right. So I'm going to hit this up with some curls, you guys. So stay tuned while I do this. I'll be back talking some more in a minute. And I have to add, the closure did not come with the bundles. A beauty supply was giving away free bundles for the first 50 people in line, and it was a new beauty supply. So I was one of those people that got the free bundles. And yeah, you get what you pay for. I didn't expect the hair to be as decent as it was. Like I said, the hair was very soft, and it seemed like once I shampooed and conditioned it, it wasn't as full as it was before. So that's why I'm putting the curls in there. Did I feel like curling it? Absolutely not, because it's 1 something in the morning and I'm trying to get this done so that you guys can have your Vlogmas. Why did I say Vlogmas? Vlogtober day 10 or 11. Your Vlogtober day 11, you guys. Ooh, if I get to Vlogtober day 15 and I have vlogged all those days, I am not going to stop because I'm halfway there. Am I going to do November, which is what I call Lovember, every day in November? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, for now, I'm curling this wig. And as you can see, the hair is curling pretty good. Like, effortlessly. Okay, my little riders, I am almost done. I'm done curling it, and now I'm trying to style it because the hair is so stinking soft and thin once you add the heat to it. It's like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna, y'all know I'm gonna work it out. I always do. Getting ready to cut that lace off, you guys. And I didn't know if I was gonna do baby hairs or not, but as you will see, I decided to do the baby hairs. Okay, my little riders, I am done styling this hair. And remember when I was sewing it, I said, oh, this hair is just so soft. Very soft. However, very, I don't know if it's going to hold a curl because this is nighttime and I'm doing this. I'm about to go to bed after this. But because I told y'all that I was going to style this wig on camera, I am. And that's what I'm doing now. Okay, guys, this is as good as it's gonna get for this today. Let's put another curl right here. Okay, you guys, this is it for this wig. The hair, it did not hold the wave pattern like it was when I was sewing it, and I had to throw a few little curls in here, but this is as good as this is gonna get. What can I say about the hair? The wave pattern did not hold after it was shampooed and conditioned, and other than that, there is no shedding, so I'll say that. And yeah, would I wear? I think the next time I wear this, I'm gonna cut it into a bob. Just a bob. And that's what I was going for anyway, you guys. That's what I was going for. That's what I was supposed to do. Do a bob, but I didn't. But with that being said, that is it for this video. And thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, a very special thanks. And with that being said, subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that that bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And why did this just go dark? Hold up, you guys, let me see something. Look at that. But anyway, see you guys in the next one.